Hello guys, so if you're a gamer and you just switch to Linux and you want something that is close to NVIDIA ShadowPlay on Windows, in this video I'm going to show you a cool alternative. So go to your software store and look for GPU Screen Recorder. This is a screen recorder that just replicates NVIDIA ShadowPlay. It uses your GPU to record your screen and there's almost no performance lost. So when we launch it, you're going to see how the UI looks like. We have the view, the simple view and advanced view. I'm going to use simple, and from here you can select your resolution. From here you can select your audio input, which is your mic, and for video quality you have option to choose from medium, high, very high and ultra. I'm going to use very high, which is the recommended one, and for frame rate I'm going to choose 60 fps. You can click on stream to configure your streaming settings. If you want to stream the stream server, you can choose YouTube or Twitch, or click on custom to input the URL. Now when you go back, you can also go to replay, just like instant replay on NVIDIA ShadowPlay. You can configure it if you want. Now if you want it to look like NVIDIA ShadowPlay, you have to click on try out new UI. Try out the new UI, click on it, and it's going to ask you, you're about to switch to the NVIDIA ShadowPlay UI. So if you're using an NVIDIA GPU, the experience will be even better. So click on yes. Click on yes. It's going to ask you for your password. Put your password and click on OK. Now this is what it looks like, just like NVIDIA ShadowPlay. If you go to the settings, you're going to see all the settings right here. All the hotkey if you want to instantly record, stream, or take a screenshot. To take a screenshot, you click on print screen at your keyboard. So these are the controller hotkey. You can take a screenshot, screen record, or live stream with your controllers. So these are the settings, and I have tested it. It looks very cool and very smooth, almost no performance lost. If you want to switch to the previous UI, you can always do that. You click on this side right here and click on go back to the old UI. They take you to the old UI if you prefer it, but I think I like the new UI because it's more straightforward. Let's go back there. From here you can turn on instant replay. From here you can start recording. I don't want to do that because I'm already using OBS in the background. From here you can start a live stream, so you can explore the software and tell me what you think in the comment section. So this is the close alternative to NVIDIA ShadowPlay. From here you can change your appearance. I choose green because it looks more like NVIDIA ShadowPlay. By default it comes with blue, so I just choose green so that everything is going to look alike. Anyway, that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.